Sir, good eves. My name is Bion Gian. I'm Midshipman Alferez. So, Rule 13, Overtaking. A. Notwithstanding anything contained in the rule of Part B, Section 1 and 2, any vessels overtaking any other shall keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken. Um, B. A vessel shall be deemed to be overtaking with coming up with another vessel from a direction from more than 22 to 5 degrees above her beam, that is in such a position with reference to the vessel's refer she is overtaking, that at night she would be able to see only the stern light of that vessel, but neither of her side lights. C. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether she is overtaking another, she shall assume that this is the case and act accordingly. So D. Any subsequent alteration of the bearing between the two vessels shall not make the overtaking vessels across a crossing vessel within the meaning of these rules, or relieve her of the duty of keeping clear of the overtaken vessel until she is finally past and clear. Um, Rule 14, um, head-on situation. A. When two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses so as to involve risk of collision, it shall after her course to starboard so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. B. Such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the other head or nearly ahead, and by night she could see the mast headlights of the other in a line or nearly in a line, and or both side lights, and by day she observed the corresponding aspects of the other vessels. C. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether such a situation exists, the shall assume that it does exist and act accordingly. Rule 15. Rule 15, crossing situation. When two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way, and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. Um, Rule 16. Saan ba itong 16? Um, Action by give away. Ay action by give way vessels. So every vessels which is directed to keep out of the way of another vessel shall so far as possible take early and substantial action to keep well clear. So, Rule 17. Action by stand-on vessel. A. Where one of two vessels is to keep out of the way, the other the other shall keep her course and speed.